The problem: pioneers are scattered in different Web 2 apps, which means they get inadequate information as Web 2 apps are not providing pioneers with utility. They need to get the most out of their Pi cryptocurrency. Solution: Pioneers Tag is a simple platform that provides utility and social networking in different forms, as will be seen in the demo preview later in the video. The app has over 20 languages and is accessible in the Pi browser, as we have managed to authenticate and integrate Pi into our app. A small preview of the login page. After the login, you shall see a homepage with posting page. We shall see a sidebar with different app features for users to test out, including our famous Pi art section and marketplace. We lastly showed how the Pi wallet can be used together with Pioneer's Tag app. Users can send each other Pi coin, as we can see, since the app can hold Pi coins, and also there is a withdrawal feature for affiliates and loyal users. Apart from the previous features, the app has messaging features, requests, notifications, and other premium features for business to cater for business users. We hope to advance and grow with the Pi network, and will make sure to better our platform post-hackathon times, and also be sure to look out for one of our gaming platforms. The app's unique feature is its Pi art section, which can now allow artists to be paid in Pi for their artwork, both related to Pi and other regular artworks. Besides that, it has a marketplace, which is of importance as users can access products sold for Pi coin. It also has a job marketplace to try and help reduce unemployment for pioneers, as they can hire each other for Pi coin. We hope you enjoyed and found this presentation informative.